So yesterday someone shared a super cool free browser extension for Amazon Merch that will help you resize your tumblers on existing listings very, very easily. And they've got some really cool settings that I'm quickly going to show you in this video. So here is the browser extension in question. I'll leave a link to this in the description. It's so new, it still says 5 users and it's only just had its first review. But yeah, this is really, really great. We're testing it today. And this is what it looks like on your create page. It only works for existing listings, not if you're uploading a new design. So I've got this shirt right here's an example that I uploaded earlier. And if I now wanted to enable the tumblers on this, and by the way, this is really handy if you're getting daily sales. As soon as a sale comes in, just open the listing, enable the tumblers, and then use this plugin, because this is what it looks like: resize and re-upload. And you've got different settings right here for the percentage, meaning the size, and there's even a pattern setting which looks really cool, by the way. You can download a copy as well if you want. You don't really need to do that, there's no point, because let me show you this example for the controllers. If we have this at 100% and click resize, you will see right there it instantly starts to upload the new version. You don't even have to actually select anything yourself, and it pastes it onto the tumbler. This is at the biggest size possible, still works for this design, and then you can just go ahead and select whichever colors you think work. Let's compare that to the 75% setting right here, which in some cases, if you've got a lot of text that you want to be kind of more central and easier to read, then the 75 setting seems to work better, at least from what I've been seeing so far from my experience. For this design, I think it turns out a little bit too small. 50%, I don't think it's going to be useful in many cases. But let's look at the pattern setting. This is really cool because it is going to turn your design into a pattern, and that in a PNG format. So it actually looks quite decent on some designs. It kind of looks weird on this one. But I've got another example right here as well for this very nice looking ghost design, which looks decent on a shirt, but as a pattern I can see this working really well. So let's enable the tumbler right here. Notice as well how on the shirt this is placed right here at the top, sort of towards the chest area, and there's a big gap at the bottom, which on the tumbler kind of looks a bit strange, like it's very off center. And again, if you resize this, it's going to actually center it on the tumbler. It does that for you as well. So you don't have to worry if you've got like a very thin t-shirt design that's all the way aligned to the top half of the print area. There we go. Now it resizes it correctly. But let's look at the pattern. I could see this design working a lot better in a pattern style. Let's see right here. Yeah, there we go. This looks amazing, and I think if you've got the right types of designs, this feature can be super handy. Obviously the back looks a little bit strange because we've got this annoying line right here in the middle where it can't be printed, but the majority, if we turn this around, the majority of these mock-ups look really, really cool. And by the way, if you're wondering where I actually found these designs or got them from, both of these Halloween designs were from Creative Fabrica, so I'll have a link to that down below as well. But definitely check out this plugin. It's free, and it's going to really speed up your process if you want to turn some of your old listings into Tumblr designs, or just add them to those listings as well. Let me know what you think of it, and if you found anything else that helps with these new tumblers. For my full Tumblr tutorial, including research, ads, sizing tips, and how to automate your uploads, make sure to check out this video next.